Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is trading around 2630 right now and still there is no sign of reversal yet. Let's look at the market sentiment. Gold hovers at record levels. Gold traded near 2630 per ounce on Tuesday, hovering at record levels as prospects of less restrictive monetary policy and elevated geopolitical risk magnified support for safe haven assets. And we have discussed about this that interest rate cut and geopolitics, they are adding fuel to this upside on the chart of gold. So yes, traders from all around the world, millions of traders around the world are hoping for a trend reversal, but the problem is there is no sign of reversal. Obviously, at one point, gold will be tired and it will be coming down. But the problem is that nobody in this whole world knows from where gold will reverse. 2650, 2680, 2700 or 3000. Nobody knows. Okay. And till then, following the trend of the market is the only medicine for us. So buyers, you must be very happy. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue with the buy position. If you see gold, not gold, gold dropping below 2600, then you can exit from your buy swing trades, or swing or positional trades if you're on a buy side. And if you're on a sell position, if you're still holding your sell position, then obviously I have nothing to say because I have been warning you guys since 2500. Okay, now gold is trading at 2635. And if you're still hoping for a trend reversal, okay, then it's up to you. It's your capital, your decision, okay? Because see, I can just suggest you guys, but I cannot force you to exit. Okay, but yes, if you're still believing, hoping that there will be a trend reversal, yes, there is a possibility of a trend reversal. But as we all know, okay, nobody knows from where market will reverse and how far market will be coming down. So before I proceed with the levels and the chart, I would like to show you something, guys. Okay, this is the contracts data and we are looking at the 2600 put, and we can see that we may not have a big number here, but my dear friend, we can see a huge addition of open interest here. So this is telling that 2600 is going to be a support for the market, because till yesterday, okay, only because of only technical reasons we were believing that if market drops also 2600 will be a temporary support. But now contracts data is also telling us that in case of a big drop in the market, okay, market will get a good amount of support at 2600. So if there is a fall also, there is a possibility the market may not break 2600. Okay, so for a trend reversal, market will have to break 2600 with huge amount of volume. Then only we will be able to consider it as a trend reversal. Otherwise, if market comes to 2600 and bounces, then it will be a retracement. And there's a big difference between trend reversal and retracement. Keep that in mind. Okay, so 2600, 2597. Okay, 2600 to 2597 will play a critical role here because of 2597 being a FIBO level. Already we have discussed it. I don't want to show you guys. Okay, but in addition to that, 2600 being a round number psychological level, plus we can see the 100 moving average also coming up. So this level is going to be a major one. But personally, I believe that there is a chance that market will show some consolidation, or market may take rest for a while, or at least this week we may not see market getting extremely bullish also. Okay, so before I proceed with the levels, okay, my dear friends, you guys already know the world's most affordable forex trading workshop has already started. The English classes are about to start from this coming Friday. Only 3 days left. So if you are interested, if you're struggling with the market, you are most welcome to participate, because it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Specially designed for those who are struggling with the market. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes, then there will be weekly sessions. And these are the dates here, and these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. No fancy topics, okay, that are very popular in the market. We will only be dealing with the core topics that we need to learn to survive in the market. And My dear friends, you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates, analysis from me so that you can understand how to proceed. You will be added to a community so that you can interact with other traders as well. And these are the topics of the weekly sessions. And all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. If you miss also, no need to worry. I record everything. You can watch it later. The best part is the fees. You can see it's only $20 or rupees 1500 for Indians for 7 days workshop with 1 month support. But trading takes time sometimes. Okay, it takes couple of months. Sometimes it takes years also. So if you are looking for personal sessions, longer relationship, WhatsApp support, then you can definitely sign up for semi-annual or lifetime support as well, where you'll be getting personal sessions from my side to clear doubts, ask questions. And these are the payment methods. Once you are done, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. So this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and if we zoom in, then we can see that yes, market seems to be consolidating right now. But if we carefully observe the market structure, we can see market slowly forming what? Market is slowly forming higher lows in the market, and this type of formation usually indicates that we have further room for upside. Okay, so during the day, if market comes for retracement, well and good. The best level to look for buy is around 2600, 2597. I don't want to discuss it because we have been discussing about this level for last 3-4 days. Okay, but during the day, if you see market is coming down but with small candles, not much volume like these candles, okay, then we can look for buy around. Yes, we can look for buy around 3 levels, 2620. Then we have also supported on 2614, then 2610. These are the 3 levels where we can look for a quick bounce on the chart of gold. If market shows retracement, volume will play a major role. For example, if we see a big red candle that we all have been praying, then obviously these levels will not work. They are minor levels. Okay, so we have 4 supports on the chart of gold, 3 minor levels, 1 good one, 2600. Let's hope for the best. Okay, and as we can clearly see right now, that market, there is no sign of retracement. Market is trying to go up from here. If that happens, then obviously we can look for a buy at breakout above 2636. Okay, but buy at breakout, you guys must know that it's riskier in comparison to retracement, so follow proper risk management. Okay, and be careful also, because trading on gold is like walking on glass right now. Anything may happen. Okay, so you guys can look for a buy at breakout above 2636, but right now there is not much volume, and volume is a major thing to look out in case of a breakout. But right now there is not much volume. That is a matter of concern. So still you can go for a buy at breakout. And how much you can expect? At first you can expect a target of 40 to 50 pips. Why only 40 to 50 pips? Because there is not much volume. So once your target will be hit of 40 to 50 pips, then you can book partial profit and set break even. Means your SL will be your entry price, and you can book 50% of the profit, and you can try to look for a higher profit. But initially try to book partial profit after 40 to 50 pips, because due to low volume, okay, we may see after hitting 263 2640 2641, market is coming down. Okay, and if market suddenly forms a big green candle, then obviously no need to exit partially. Then you can continue with a buy position. Then market may show some retracement around 2650. Okay, so let's not okay, let's end the video here. Bye bye, take care guys, thank you so much, all the best. Okay, follow proper risk management now.